गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरे। जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Mirabai had said,
सत्संग में जाना मेरा ना छूटेरी, सत्संग में जाना मेरा ना छूटेरी। हारी चाहे जड़ के मरो सन सारे, सत्संग में जाना मेरा ना छूटेरी।
meaning we will be so determined on our aim, then we will get closer to God. Garib Das Sahib Ji says that the customs will have to be left immediately. This is the biggest obstacle for us. Only by sacrificing them we will be able to attain God. Virtuous souls, it is very easy to attain God. Kal has confused us so much, like when someone does not have children, then they used to say that they should not be seen in the morning. For those who do not have children, it is said the important is seen in the morning, and they also used to feel that they must be thinking like this. Still, some people do this today. Virtuous souls, here all are wrong rituals of Kal. Then we will be familiar with Tattva Gyan, then we will have to follow the law of God. We do not have to bother about the society. Kabir Sahib says,
मात पिता सुख स्त्री आलस बंधु कान, और संत मिलन को जब चले ये अटकावे आण। इनका अटकाया अटके नहीं, और संत मिलन को जा कह कबीर सो संत है आवागमन नसा।
like the mother and father who do not have knowledge become an obstacle for the young children, and those whose children are grown up and their mother father want them to go to satsang, then those children hinder. Someone's wife obstructs, someone's husband obstructs. Somewhere the interferences of Bandhu Khan means social pressure. God says that
इनका अटकाया अटके नहीं, इनका रोका रोके नहीं, और संत मिलन को जा कह कबीर सो संत है फिर आवागमन नशा।
Virtuous souls, by coming to the satsang, we get to know, like the one who does not have children, according to the law of God, he is the best if he gets devotion. He gets mantra, then there is no problem whether he has children or not. It is not to say that those who have children are worthless. No. God's law is contrary to the point of view of society. Here, we are connected with each other because of the destiny. And whenever those sacraments are completed, will leave from here immediately, no matter how important his work remains. You know this very well. Like someone's young son dies, a man taught his son, gave him a lot of education, and he got an engineering degree. He got a post and a job. The date of marriage was decided. He died in an accident 3 days before the marriage. He was the only son. What to do now? Now they are weeping badly. So, virtuous souls, this needs to be thought that you will be able to live only till your destiny, not more than that. More than that, I will tell you further that after coming under the shelter of God Kabir and the whole family gets attached with the feet of God, then nothing better than that, the one who will take refuge will surely get relief. These kind of accidents will not happen if we are within the rules.
जब लग हंसा हमरी आना और काल लगे नी तेरा बाणा.
God says, O soul, as long as you are within our rules, till then the attack of Kal will not happen. Kal's attack won't happen. God's decorum is these rules.
के 100 वर्ष तक सतगुरु पूजा एक दिन आन उपासी, वो अपराधी आत्मा फिर पड़े काल की फांसी.
God is telling you that you have been doing this worship for 100 years, which I have told, and one day you do the arbitrary practice, you practiced arbitrarily, performed other worships, then that criminal soul will be hanged by Kal. So these rules should not be broken. We have to strictly follow our rules and move ahead, then see the game of God. So the childless do not have a further account with each other. No sacraments are left with others. According to spiritual path, they are the best soul provided they get this path. Otherwise, God says that those who are not doing true spiritual practice, whether they have children or not, are both equal. Those who have children are also not bad. Because in human life, you have received devotion of God, the whole family should do devotion, children should also be brought under the shelter, then whatever their sacraments are will be easily dealt with and will be resolved easily. God will not let this unnecessary injury happen. He will increase life. God is all powerful, and others whom we used to believe are God cannot extend our age.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन. अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org. संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है. अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541.